This video is for telling you about GMAT Data Insights syllabus. This is one topic which is different from the other management entrance exam, Data Insights. So technically, if you look at a focus edition, there are three sections: mathematics, verbal, and the data insight section. Data insight is 20 questions, 45 minutes. So if you look at total time is 2 hours, 15 minutes. You have one optional break which can take 10-minute break between section. If you take that break, it becomes 2 hours, 25 minutes. But this is a basic breakup of the paper. If you look at data insights, 5 parts for the paper. One is data sufficiency questions. Okay, so about 6 to 7 questions are of DI of data sufficiency. Multi-source reasoning. Right, so that means you'll have multiple sources, you'll have text, tables, graphics, etc. So 2 to 4 questions across 1 or 2 MSRs. There will be 2 MSRs, 1 or 2. In that, there will be around 2 to 4 questions of each. Then you have table analysis. The table is given, which you can, sort of modify based on, any parameters which are given to you. And you have to look at trends, making comparisons, sorting data, etc. So around 2 to 3 questions is based on table analysis. Then graphic interpretation. Okay, so you will be given graphs, scatter plot, XY graph, bar chart. Based on that, you need to interpret and find relationship. Again, 3 to 4 questions or 20 questions from this. And then 2-part analysis. So 2 parts are given to you and you have to find it. So the combination of maybe there's quant, maybe verbal type as such. Around 2 to 3 questions of this. So you have to find relationship. So 2 parts are given. You need to look at both parts and try to solve both parts. So these are the breakup. So the major part is data sufficiency in the examination. Rest you will have few questions of each with total 20 questions. Since the data sufficiency becomes a major portion and it's a continuation of the previous exam. So previously DS used to come in the quant part. Now DS is coming under data insights. It is part of a 20 question section. Now, this set of questions becomes a little tricky. Key is to practice a lot of it. The moment you practice, you become familiar with different kind of questions and it becomes easier to solve. So because it's a little different, it requires some additional practice. So my recommendation is spend extra time on data insights so that you're comfortable with it. Okay, the source for preparation, obviously GMAT official guide is a good source for preparation. There is Manhattan Prep book for the same. GMAT Club is a good source again. A lot of questions you will get from different levels, mock tests and practice. Also any GMAT coaching. We do conduct class for GMAT. If you're interested, you can contact us. Thank you. We'll come up with more videos that will help you with regards to GMAT prep. If you're interested, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.